Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome your default browser in Windows 10. It's a really simple process, and all you have to do is open up your Google Chrome browser first and then click on these three little dots on the top right corner and then click on settings. Now from the left, click on default browser. Now if you don't see default browser option on the left, you can just simply search for it here. So let's search for default browser, and here you can see that it just showed up. And now from here, click on make default. Now it will open up the default app section of Windows 10, and if you scroll down you should see the web browser option, and you will also see your current default browser. So you need to click on it, and then from the list select Google Chrome. And as you can see, we have just set Google Chrome as our default browser, and if we close it and go back to our Chrome settings, we can see that it says Google Chrome is your default browser. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.